Hey YouTube, how you doing today? That's right, we have a three-peat here on the channel. From those wonderful ladies at Whiskey Ink and Lace, we're going to take a look at the Outlaw. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think of this one, but I bet you already know. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, like I said, this is a first three-peat for the beard oil. Seriously, the ladies over at Whiskey Ink and Lace are just freaking killing it. Right up there, somewhere, is going to be a link to every other, beard product I've brought to the channel. You're going to see the other two in there, and trust me, Andy, you got another home run here. Way to go, girl. Way to go. Now, that being said, I'm not being condescending. I love what she's doing. She has an amazing product, has an amazing company, and she busts her ass to bring out great product. It's all natural, and it's scented with therapeutic essential oils. What I love is they're very straightforward about no artificial chemicals, and they have fragrance oil free, so it's not putting bad things into your body. They are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, non-cormogenate, whatever the hell that is, if I haven't even pronounced it right. They're non-toxic and gluten-free. So they've got everything basically covered. They are based out of Nashville, Tennessee. And like I said, they are female-owned. I love what they've done with their oils. All right. Now, there we go for the ingredients. Hopefully you can see that. It's got coconut oil, avocado oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and essential oils. Now, for the scent, and this is what I love, it's got basically a piney, scotch, patchouli, and mint scent to it. I'm currently wearing this one right now. And it coats beautiful. Comes in a 1 ounce amber bottle. And they're glass stoppers. Hopefully you can see. That pulls up a lot. Alright. Yeah, God, the only way I can put it, when you sniff it, you get that feeling like you're an outlaw in the Old West, like you've been out in the trail hiding for a while in the woods. So it's like, I love that woodsy, piney, scotch scent in there. That's just great. The patchouli is not overpowering, which is nice, because after I lived in Portland, Oregon for a while, yeah. And the mint just adds a little thing to it, I tell everyone this in every review that I do. You got to remember, beard oil is for your skin that's under your beard to help promote healthy natural growth and eliminate like the flaking and the beard rough and all the other problems. You just rub it in, especially like the little dead area under there, and you comb it out. This thing gives you a great feel. It was almost like a little pick-me-up this morning. I'll admit I had way too much cheap beer last night. Had a slight hangover. Dogging it out of the shower, get all cleaned up, put this on. I'm like, okay, I'm awake now. It's just kind of that pick-me-up, a wake-up kind of thing. Now, I will say, for price range, it is on the higher end of what I like to pay. Normally, I pay between 10 and 20 bucks for a bottle of beard oil. This over on Whiskey Ink and Lace is $19.75. And over on Amazon, it's $21.99. She's got 13 reviews of her product for this one over on whiskeyinkandlace.com. And it's rated 5 out of 5. Only 2 on Amazon for this one, and it's 5 out of 5. Guys, I give it 5 out of 5, no problem. Seriously, I really do. Andy busts her ass over there. She makes a quality product. And honestly, there's really nothing about it I can even sit and go, I don't like. This is the third. I wouldn't go back for a third experience if I didn't like what she was doing. Now, with all that wonderful stuff being said, I want to know what you guys think. I want to know if you've used Whiskey Ink and Lace gear before. I want to hear your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, anything, man. Like down below. Let me know what you're thinking. Especially with all you new guys out there who are starting beards. Maybe this one might help you. Now, with those wonderful things being said, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, Thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to view one of my videos. It means a lot to me because I know there's a lot out there on YouTube that you can sort through, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you longtime guys who haven't done it yet, especially you first-time guys too who haven't done it, it's okay. You can get in on this one. Either in one of those two corners, you're going to see a little bigger channel logo popping up. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, please beat up the bell icon. Why? Good question. It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer. That's right, you. Every single time my dumbass uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to pop up either on that side of the screen or on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very quick look at Whiskey, Ink, and Lace's The Outlaw Beard Oil. Go buy it. You won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible rest of your day.